The Junction Road in St. Mary is now reopened to vehicular traffic. The National Works Agency is, however, warning motorists to proceed with caution. The road was impassable for hours yesterday, causing inconvenience for pedestrians and motorists. Anthony Lugg has the update.
The price it will cost the government to fix this area along the Junction Road in St. Mary is still unknown, but it could be a hefty bill. After heavy rainfall on Monday, this was the end result. Residents say the major failure in the embankment in the vicinity of Chovy usually starts as a small crack.
I don't know the road that drop, even for them people that start work here.
What if a passenger vehicle was on it and there's a cross there and enter here? What could happen?
When we visited the area Tuesday morning, heavy machines were in action, while scores of persons tried to get a glimpse of what transpired the night before. Others took their chances, but they did so cautiously. Residents say they've been greatly inconvenienced.
If we go drive all the way, go to Scottsdale, come back in Richmond, come back to Clonmel and come back. I only for driving that.
And as a member of parliament, I'm also very concerned about the continued slippage of this particular area and the danger that it poses to people in the area and the traveling public generally.
It's understood that passengers are also being asked to pay more.
Sometimes it's really hard to find $250 much more, $500. And you have to travel like an hour and a half more from Georgia to Grandewald, which is from Grandewald to right here to like 10 minutes. You spend an hour and 30 minutes around the bush.
The damaged section of the roadway is surrounded by the Wogwater River, and heavy rainfall makes a bad situation worse. Stephen Shaw is communications manager at the National Works Agency.
When we conceptualized the project from Walterville to Broadgate, this particular location and the magnitude of the issue here was not a part of that plan, because we recognize, as I said, the technical studies were being done, investigations had to be carried out into the subsurface situation. This is not something that you do overnight.
And while motorists await the permanent solution to address the problem, a temporary solution was made this afternoon.
And this will allow for vehicular traffic to be able to go along the road in as normal a way as is possible.
But what about the permanent solution?
We believe that if we build a wall within the channel or alongside the channel of the Wogwater River, that should be able to withstand any movement that is likely going forward.
Anthony Lugg, TVJ News.